Azure DevOps pipelines help automate the build, test, and deployment process for your code. Here's how to create a pipeline step by step. Access Azure Pipelines. Navigate to Pipelines. Log into your Azure DevOps account, select your project, and click on the Pipelines tab in the left menu. Start a new pipeline. Click New Pipeline to begin. Connect your code repository. Select the source. Choose where your code is stored. Authorize access. If using an external source, connect your account and grant necessary permissions. Choose a repository. Select the repository containing your code. Configure the pipeline. Use a template. Azure DevOps suggests templates for popular languages and platforms. YAML file option. Alternatively, define your pipeline in a YAML file. Customize steps. Add build, test, and deployment tasks according to your project needs. Save and run. Save the pipeline. Commit the configuration to your repository. Run the pipeline. Trigger a build manually or set up continuous integration.